What's going on, guys? Jake Proctor here with the Ram Real Estate Group, and we are here in the Rockstar neighborhood of Greenshire Commons because we got another one for you.
Mitchell Ram here, and Jake and myself are pumped to present you our new listing at 5065 Greenshire. Loft space, finished basement, 3-car garage, just like new. Stick with us and let's take a look.
As you guys can see, this beautiful home has awesome finishes from top to bottom.
For more information or to schedule a showing, please contact Jake or myself, and make sure to follow us on social media at the Ram Real Estate Group.